ka chose kofinti ene keke fosu ekopie mu o ye Maame Akosua Serwaa efie na tie nyansa semo a kofinti aka e de ache ABUSUAPANIN Tupac na me se Tupac ndi eso omode to table so na omutwa nachi abusua without wasting much time yenyamu na yenkotie ensema kofinti ene LUMBA ne twetwa mutwo wase na kora eno no LUMBA kora ene kofinti na tie nyansa semo a waka e de ache Tupac
Maame Akosua Serwaa esin China na me ni me yi kwa wo ye den wo ye two wo ye na se busuafo so se ye na de na wo ye ne yempreso a ono ye ni efun ne omo dia enti nipa bi ntumi nche sabe da fracha me gina me kofinti na na mafi mu a obi entumi fi abontin emeji na memu enkwaye yi gise busuafo ana abusuapan na nso a wo be ye yi na gise bia enianom no e wo ho na be kire se ne ye pese ye yi enne yembisa se yempapa no enfa na ye kura no ebi kura kire se emu na ekoda ho ne ye papa na which it can be 100% say ni omo kan ye no kure ejimi mu pa de emse mo tete wo social media and be say me kan say me maame ka kire me say maame nko which is true maame na hwe the way an near microphone no ga kire me maame fa me hu ko for bibia emwa and it's me na me hu ni say ye Maame Akosua Serwaa bi dunana me bom pai say ya be nyankopon ton hira papa bi mu maame no so na maame ne nya tumi bi say o ye bibi papa na ya kwa ya ye ayikasi bi ade ama papa na ye hwe edo ma ba be de e ba be go enti no mesre mo say ni si ukuma so ne de do wo mo ye yie bi bat na enye obi akoma so enti na ma ye nyina na mo emu ye
mo ye yie bi
enti si no hwe ne msa no da
o me hwe nia Maame Akosua Serwaa ana se me hwe abusuafo no because abusuafo no be de tumi ne be maame no say wonye say ye ti say abusuafo no ka de hye Maame Akosua Serwaa nsa na say abusuafo no ka bom say ye bibi foforo e de ama ye papa na why not ye nyina be support because pa ye person you cry papa no and that ye na see it started from Monday to Monday.
Yes,
one good week a year and a stadium cry na any stadium in China you exactly. To me yet that the LUMBA full stadium na think say ebe mama di pa the crampo sabi bi be say agina bonti.
Yes,
yeah.
Obi busa say se woni hwan na wo narrate say omonye wonya nko omonye final phone na obetimi introduce wo kakla but wo need that LUMBA.
Of course me that the LUMBA kola.
Okay.
You from me kofinti me anyumtini that the LUMBA so na me tu kwan ko baby bebre me hu baby papa de do drama epie behwe papa no in the class of people who go show omo ba eyi yenhwe nipa metuma ka se omo ku wa se beta frache meka se yem papa mo ba de bia despite mo ene etitifu a me hu se o ba be support ene nipa ma but eyi aka yenhwe 1 week hwa ahemfu be gu eyi na hwe minister hwe I mean president am etitifu what eyi na o so mo ku ma se ye hu ni sa iti me hu se bibi fufuro si ne ye de hye papa na nunyamo a enu mo be papa sen ya ye it was on that one me sure say sama o an the crack rare be ho sana me tima
Amampo peso mu hu se
abusua enti yansa ena chese utimi se kofinti apo edegu ho no we enye just me saying wakasa very deep e ho na keke nso rekra eso so yenkotie ense wa keke fusu etimi elebeto abontin.
That's when a normal other side so one jam yeah papa that meeting so enja me papa nso to be musa mini akofinti ne on papa 1 week asi te fe na niam anko for na yentimi anko na no ntre say Maame Akosua ba ye meba ye chia na wo say ye ba ko na yentimi anko no na no hu say ye bo ahayo tino ye ba ya ye chia ne odo na ye maame no say wo mba apiti nyoba ne se obo se okase wo na wo me be wi asi na je so ba no na mum wa wo ya apiti ye dos ye do me dos ye hweso nam no so a ni ku vigina ya nam ni ku so ye so ya vigina no ye mfani dia so ano pay dia em se Maame Akosua Serwaa
so keke ono so ensem kakra wonim no ena wodi agu ho a omunyina e show appreciation e che odo edi ache maame no e hodom na yese wo bi nkofo bi e for jail wo bi a ama lawyer Fati bi e trendy na this lawyer Fati yese ye ODO BRONII lawyer na emu nsem no tie sa enkomo wi na yento aso
atoro tere nipa kroma abla akra ne maame na dwene ho letter of administration no e wo so bo faale
na wo yoko twantro to maame ne so say ayesa munya japade bi hey na mu wie na mo sakọ forgery e fe ne say fake will Maame Akosua Serwaa say wo mu tie me obi obetimi be mu tie me wo bi be ba bonti bi ye fake lawyer Fati we no obi kodi nkomo adi papa no ye lawyer nipa ni ndadi number ne emamu pa ese omo na nkomo forgery fake will na papa ne se da bi on pese obekwa dem oni ODO BRONII we asem ati ma ne nkodam ena two oni ODO BRONII asem e ma ne melusu ne license this lawyer here na froka kakay oda social media yi girl na hye ne bo say obema mo properties obema mo niema enu nti na wo nani abere no lawyer Fati tia wadwuma na wo ye no wa ya ama na broso na wo se watade ne ye wuro me se ala onjeje o se Maame Akosua Serwaa di be efa ala onjeje o ana na what say it's the Quran ekuta no can't you read the Quran say ge ya be say obi fie wa be say obi fie ama obi ehuna mani say ama obi maame odi ne awon abone yam all this so maame ya ama abon say megu ge nani mu ase mu sa pese mo dane mo de 1 e dane ni 8 yempene yem obi anfa maame no 1 e dane ni 8 me pa cho mo block kwana pa kwase ya panni bi obegina mo block no ka wuji bi free akọ yeah, pray that because enough of all this rubbish. The same thing you follow your answer. Mubeke kaya muko church sika ma judges any lawyers. Emo mo for the assembly this time around. Yeah, pray that. Lawyer Fati, stop your nonsense. Maame no wabere. Eje o de ebedi nkomo. Maame no wabere. The obre no di nya de kom ede no ti me pamacho empanifo de me betro light atutu ni de enta me ba life we no ohi be media asem na wo kan o makọ forgery will to against Maame Akosua Serwaa to against letter of administration, you know, because judge am almost 6 days for them to provide say the enti me wo say girl no mo di ni tum. It's a mark of forgery. Say be ya a bema girl no. It be look say that didn't back the Japadi in Amano. Why you say na man the and again no right Maame Akosua Serwaa. Yes say yem preda. Sim legal wife for this how was your channel energy too. And any nonsense. Maybe say I don't have time for some no be kuntopa. Maame no ya hwe ya omo the confusion ato yen say be ya yentimi throw light into side way so. But hey, from an area call ye be ya adwuma no. Ye be ya adwuma no till. Me pamacho ebusuafo lawyer ya oda we obeye number lawyer that was 3 months so na papa ni bewu papa ni who said papa ni biebo nyama so person de chenkofo we na person de we but there is no will. If there is a will akra na wo ekoda high court as a lawyer you don't have who needs sawo any will. It's Tupac on papa
lawyer Fati ne ho nsem na etwagu a we say lawyers there you know reservations at the form but someone no say this lawyer Fati no behind the scenes or ye maybe at the first one say I will say inipa ma nani e call this lawyer Fati ho na yenti sa enkomo wi e on this side
so wo betu efunu no wa ye enema so ho enti no enya de a omo pese ma se wa eye yire because oya yire nko ade a wo tumi eso obesa
okay
exactly normal yes sanhwehwemu no na ama ayi mabusuapani ampre esi sanhwehwemu no ebeba ye besini afesusu ne atie ne I can say it with boldness without any yeah, without alleged say there is absolutely no will. Why am I saying that? Man Serwaa oba waba Ghana no obe file say wope yan kan say wope to me atna sebe endiama oni ni kunu aye ho no no amanedi eto ade court no and ODO BRONII for no abe counter no any saying omo actually say wono nkwa anya yire say will be wo ho a omo be ka say there is a will into no omo nton bo ase ne will no yen reading we answer na won ti ase a wo de be ko feda they did not say in the court in their written write up, I say there is a will. It's a went me. So if later on, if anything will suppose will ever bontia, you need to win any to because a will or one pa and you find a person or chat in your party and so because
okay, what did I again? Okay, what did I again? Okay,
it's in so who your lawyer no see bibia or in your possession now. You counter to say there is a will that needs to be read. We have copies. Copy will be at the High Court will say, and no in your say for position man. Yeah, need to unless it said the will has been read and whatever on Tiasi and on Franco. But I never know what they buy. Also on Kwanya, which means there is no will. Which means there is no will until I chubby. Now move a cassette there is will or be an into because
on the first talk of be about say a room that room by a home.
Yes, because Obatiwa at the guy be ever toward the Kwame Champon. Our your friend is saying High Court. Our war a Kumasi a Supreme Court to say High Court one. Yes, so I expert in signing impersonating that is he is good in impersonating other people's signature. It's a matter why Eddie na unicorn and the form for letter of administration and no trying master what signature Eddie Kokoma nature so betimi aye ho adwuma no de try that why wasani that the LUMBA there now can bo no they will do forgery will no ma kokase master wanpo eya we near teni and Ashanti Queen bro betimi a check man trap picture ST eniama there's me fancy letter I ST kumase answer say edan we di any akraso we any industry any bibia enchechemu ho we should not forget to say Mansewa under no circumstance can go to court no atro say we media woman woni who papers last commission last commission baby who are downstairs it's there is no way your friend is saying eniama oni ni kru edin edaso last commission say dia now overnight abedani ODO BRONII dia no enunti no akase wo to me because ODO BRONII di president edi ama ba bia si we oni da di LUMBA na maame no so onokwafo say president any that the LUMBA aye bibia there is no way say man say wa be fa ka ho say enumpo no odi aka ne oni nikru aye jointly any individual so it will not make any sense. These are the things we need to treat. What I say because you said the proof of the pudding is in the eating. I grown here from here. Who proves why? What one proofs? Please. What one proofs? It's in your money. Bibia umubeshon they are infuriating us.
So abusia what is any nyina ekoba Tupac ene Tupac dey say you wasa ebo ne popa because ensem nyina ekowie no isan se bono na obi anim se oye abusuapani e ho no ti sanas komo no esitie na saji we eso so
we there why bayabo am lawyer no lawyer Fatima anya de honestly and no na no echi no de course no because say no yeah
ba to kasa
me say legal wife for lawyer no me ref ni din
lawyer kusi
so far omo asande ba ni nsem nyina and I think say we na right move why am many age pa because wanye sa o make sa move we a and ye nyina ye hu say hold bi ani ho yeah na dey why dey papa we play the chess no right
ama o maso ayese
yes
Nana say lawyer no so kran wonya akasa wonjai kasa for now no interview no ma it's not necessary
therefore says this ni crowd I think say no whether they will file or not and no hu here but no person who say because and say and come on fa early na nkwa and come obi the early call
no mo di bibia ba
beautiful nya mo nchira de wo chire mu no eno ye different
so obi the early call I will nsem mo quarter na say voice wo hono ma you file for probate
aso
obe counter you be probate you file for probate no aka share call that there be voice wo hono enti you file for probate near ko redeem no am nsa bibia you only file for caveat wa bra will ni hono
Dabi nana me pacho mame mre mu kakra caveat ne ye etabono a omode to early no so
Dabi
weli ni wo obetum di caveat ato
Dabi they can but obi no hono ma will hono ma wa ko file caveat you can find out obi no hono ma
caveat no enye baba jama mo na file you so obetum abasa lawyer kusi doesn't know whether there is a will or not. So under our family,
meba. Say obinya, you can read more about it. Say obi oko fale early. Our will in somewhere. The onus lies on obia or ye interested party. Say what we want my baby should be on but oko fale probate. Say masa won't mean for early ma because your will they file for probate straight. Yen file caveat to baby. Sana that's the law. On bako obia obi file LAB or file caveat bia just will be anyhow.
aso
I don't know I don't know meba I don't know what hono ma ukako ha ho akọ file for caveat amako di asem no akọ change the man sa won ha ho sa na ma no what you say won ha ho
we no ba bia akọ na ye obia person use na adwene oh enti o de
yabu anye so obia person o use na
we nya adwene
obia person o use na adwene
we nya adwene sem yabu we no be edu na nya adwene sem aha that's
yabu omo betimi actual letter akobo edan ne ho mo so na mo se masoa police ni soldiers akogu ho nti maame no onko ho. It will be file a letter of administration. If there is a will, she's stating says she's interested. Because mother call bohona wa unko 21 days, mwamo kwa wife free war no one. So obia amba obey then.
That's it.
It's no man call file a letter of administration. So she did want to check if there is a will and I said nana. She's interested party, which is her. Enti yabua enya adine bia nti amonka no krenkyerem
oni da enya se enya
ai asante ne nana sa we na o mo file ye no eno no me pacho mo nkyere me mu se ye file a maame no pese wo kyere se we obi o ha o mo read bibi ni wo sa so o mo nka na
o pa kyere se so mo kyere se we ti ba bia se will wo ho o meti ba bia mo se there is no will o mo so class that the lumba trot to ho se mane mfa ne ye mfa ne numba whole lot ene yate and now we no so the way omo no o betimi atro letter akwa akobo lumba fie ho na mo so sesa police
pombe tuo muka maame na mukuta lumba account no o ko lumba page no so a hwan no ne babra na mumu hwan ene na wo ho ODO BRONII ni ya principal oforiata sa principal oforiata bushia no nyame da kunwa mama to mu ni mo se we are ni brafo we are some who be ta so obeni ni kun baba bra aya ni magu ama ni kura banya sika fidan na ni kun na wudia na o prince la ni nia oforiatan o se sa no kwa na kuta echa na elastic which is that okuta bisa ODO BRONII na kono be no musa lumba na ma pa di aye no aga fa bibi aye no na modi bibi aye no ma na makanta lumba tantra ha Leonis Lego and amuna mukini cast mesi mupa woja lumba japadi don't joke with it mamani odi lumba ndo na ba na mususa wana tina Akosua Serwaa na tono lumba page we change na nyanye e dawo for so many years asi lumba and Akosua Serwaa wana tina lumba and wine Akosua Serwaa no one you to plan about me. Mammy should have said I make I am ready.
Inti ensem na ena oguso a wutietie na abusua me se wo nti luma ye wo anaso wanye wo because he said the band e chese wo bia nba bia o it's a wo bia nba bia na nim ne kata ya na yese na West 21 wo mu no na ye wo be no no abusua oba so ache wadwene e o commerce so ha e ye GH report